idle clip. 240Z LS. A little more rust prevention, or stop this rust from this Rusty Z. So I have some truck bed coating. It says it's stops rust, so we'll see what happens. A little bit of rust protection, so we'll see. I'm going to be doing some more sound deadener when I can. Sheets I got off of Amazon, pretty much like dynamat. They're all up in here. What's going on? That's what we got here. Turn on and that's it. Add a little bit of dynamat material to the rear, fuel cell area. Get some of that heat and sound out. So up inside the way I'm gonna cover the fuel tank. Kind of sticks up about an inch past the base. Build some kind of elevated platform for it. That's today's project. Oh, the wheels will not fit. Got these right here, some Rotoclones. They're 205 5015s. They will not fit. The studs are too short. I'm stuck with the factory ones on here right now, anytime. Either I buy some extended studs, extended lugs, or sell the wheels. Anyone want to buy these? Shoot me an offer. It is 1 a.m. and I am still up. Team no sleep. I end up taking the factory speedo and tack out of the 73Z or 240Z. Put these bad boys in. Install's pretty straightforward, but due to some rusted butterfly nuts, I had a difficult time trying to get them out. But they're out. Straightforward process. Once you do the 2 screws and the light bulbs, all the gauges slip out to the front. Just gotta maneuver it slightly and they'll come out. There's no need to take off your dash for getting these gauges out, on a 73 at least. I wired up the tachometer. Oh.